This video will be making a text-to-speech machine using Python. So the first thing which I want you to do is import pyttsx3. Sorry, 3. Perfect. In case you don't have it installed, then you have to write pip install pyttsx3. Now, after that, I want you to go and write text equals input. What do you want the machine to say? That's all you need to write to gain the text. Now I'll be using a function. A function can be used to say some lines of code. The definition of function is in the description below and also in a blog post, which is now up. Yeah. So this is our function of define text speech. And then here we'll be writing text because we want it to perform this action. Then after that, we'll be writing engine equals pyttsx3.init. Now, what does this line do? This line mainly initiates the package, like how we in pygame, we have pygame.init. Here we have pyttsx3.init. Now, we make engine.say text, right? Text, and mainly that is it. After we write, oh, sorry, I forgot one. I forgot something. And then we say engine dot run and wait. Perfect. Now, what do we do after this? We do, I don't know why, but my computer stopped working. Yes, it didn't. We write parentheses to initiate the function. Then after that, we go back over here, text underscore to speech, and then text. Now we run this, and then what do you want the machine to say? I wanted to say subscribe to Rational Neves. Okay, we'll be hearing this in a second. Let me just settings. Perfect. Now let's run.
Subscribe to Rational Navesh.
And that's how it works. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your family. And yeah, that's it. Stay rational, stay curious, and we'll meet you next time.